everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it is another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to try using some metallic ribbons in a coaster. For the ribbon coaster, I need a black background. I've mixed my resin. I have about 1 ounce here. And I'm going to use some pigment made for resin. Add it in there, and I'm going to mix it really well. I'm going to pour it into the mold. I'm going to pop the bubbles with my lighter. Let it sit a minimum of 12 hours. The black coaster background has cured, and now all I need to do is cut some metallic ribbon. These are the ribbons I have, and they're just the wrapping paper ribbons. And I have a copper, a gold, and a silver. And I'm just going to cut little pieces. You can go random sizes. So I'm doing about 10 pieces of each. So I think that's probably enough. I can always cut more as I go if I feel I need it. So I'm going to put them over here. And I'm going to mix my resin. And now I'm going to add some resin to it. Maybe about 1 ounce or so. Let it spread out. I'll take my lighter, pop the bubbles. Then I'm going to start dropping the ribbons in. Now some of them have a curl to them. I don't know how that's going to play out. Now I'm going to take my stir stick and I'm going to press them down. You can still move them around and stuff as well. And realize they might float, we might need to do another coat on this. Take my lighter, pop the bubbles, and I'll come back and do that a couple more times. And this will need a final coat. This is cured enough where the ribbons aren't going to come up anymore, and some of them are sticking out, but I've mixed a little more resin, and I'm going to pour it right on top. And that will just be to embed the rest of those ribbons that insisted on floating. Once it's all spread out, I'm going to pop the bubbles, and I will come back and do that a couple more times. And then we're going to just let this sit a minimum of 12 hours. So this has cured, and here it is. So the ribbon definitely has a metallic look to it. They look like little shards of metal, so it looks kind of cool. So be sure to let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. I hope you guys like the metallic ribbon coasters. Remember to keep your resin warm to help minimize any of the bubbles. It can be hard to do in these really cold temperatures. If you guys are ever looking for written directions to my projects, you can go to craftklatch.com, and I also have the materials list over there. Don't forget to follow me on Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram if you aren't already. Thanks guys so much for watching. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys.